So as in the last session, we have learned how to create update function module and how to consume the update function module through a web program, and we also analyze how it works. We have seen in case of how it works, like either all success or none. So in last record which I updated, we saw like the header record was okay, but there was an error in the item. Okay, and after commit work, we have not found any new record with that in the item table. But now where to check the error messages? Because when we update that record, we got one pop-up like update failed. But where to check the details? For that, we have to go to transaction code SM13, and here execute. So here we can see the updated record, update record. So check the details, double click here. So here we can see the error function model is zdemo_update. In case if any program, if there are multiple function models, suppose we run this program and there are multiple function models, some success, some error. So we can see the list of function model here. Now this function model triggered the error. So where is the error? How to check that? Again double click here. So here we can see the internal session terminated with the runtime error raise exception. To check more of this, you have to click here and press short dump. And then here we can see the exception condition, that is item fail. So in case if any updation is getting failed and you want to see the details, follow these steps. Come to SE SM13. Either you can enter username. This is demo. I am only working, so not entering any username. But you can enter the username and execute. Double click and go inside and check the details. Like this, we can find out what is the issue which is causing the error. Here we can see directly this error. Here system fail. Click here. This will navigate to the function model. Okay. So this is generated after executing our last record. Now let's learn one more concept in the update FM. Here, let me add in this function model. Let me add some delay. Okay. So here I am adding again like wait up to 5 seconds. Okay. And now this is normal update task. My last record in the VBAK is 14 number. Now what I will do, I am executing this record. I am setting one breakpoint here. Execute this. Let me enter the 15 number. Now, as this is in the update task, okay, even if I press F5, this will directly come out of the function model. And commit work, if I press F5, see, immediately the commit work is triggered. Okay, now because, see, the word record is created. The reason behind this, because as soon as we call this function model in update task, a new session is triggered. This gets executed in a new LUW, that is logical unit of work. And this is our current logical unit of work, current work process. That's why here we are not getting any delay, even though we have added a 5-second delay. But still, here it is executed immediately. Because this is an asynchronous call, this works as a parallel process. And this gets executed in a separate logical unit of work. Now let's see one more command here. That is set update task as local. Now if I add this keyword set update task local, what will happen, instead of processing this in a new logical unit, when system reaches the commit work, this get executed in the same work process. So instead of registering in that VB mod table, if we set this set update task local, system will not register this FM in the VB mod table, because after this syntax, system is going to execute this in the same work process, in the same memory work process, instead of a database work process. So let's see the impact of this. Save, check, activate. What I am doing, I have set here update task local after adding a 5-second delay in this function module. Now my last record in the table is 15 number. Okay, now what I will do, I will add a 16 number here. Here set update task local, I am pressing F6. Now here again I am pressing F5. Okay. Now see here, as soon as we press F5 the commit work, F6 the commit work, see here system is waiting. Here system wait till that function module get executed successfully, because this works in a synchronous mode. Now if I execute this, see the output. 16 number record is created. But first time when I execute, this statement was executed very quickly. And second time, there was a delay. Why that delay? Because I added the syntax, set update task local. So what system does? System makes this call as a synchronous. This means that here system wait till the function module get executed, and after that it move to the next level. So this set update task local make this FM executed in the same work process instead of creating a new work process. Now this was success record, right? So let's see one more time with a failure record, just we did in the last time. Now what I will do, see, I will enter 17 number here, execute. Now I will change this line item again. So this I will make as 16. I want system to fail this. Set task as local. I am pressing F5 here, F6, F6, okay, F5. See, now commit work. Now if I press F6, see, an exception condition header fail is triggered, because with that one header record is already there. Okay, and this will not get in the VB mod table, because in the VB mod table the record will get registered only if you are triggering in the background task, not as a normal local task, local update. Okay, so this is the difference if you set that update task as local. So if we add this line, if you want in the same session, if you want to execute, add this set update task local. This will make this function module to work in a synchronous mode, and after reaching the commit work statement, here system will wait till this function module is getting executed. Fine. If you don't want this concept, remove this and just run in update task. That will mark this. That will make this to work in a parallel mode, and it will happen in the background, and your program will execute it in a quick way. So this is difference between executing normal in update task and set update task local, which makes the update to happen in the same work process instead of a new session. Fine. So in this way, we're done with the session on update function module with set update task as local. Thank you.